Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawn is going forward in this direction, just a move away from becoming a queen. So here we have a bishop and the enemy has a rook. That is a problem. And you know, everybody, most of you know that a bishop alone cannot deliver a checkmate. So why I did mention that? Because if this rook sacrifice against the pawn, that would be the end of it, and that would be just the end of the puzzle, and you are going to lose the game. So I mean, that is going to be just a draw, because a bishop alone cannot deliver a checkmate, and that would make you end up with only a bishop. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so the first thing you may probably play is moving away the king to promote the pawn, but that move don't work because black would just move the rook and you can't do anything now. You may just try to block the attack, but it doesn't matter. Black would just sacrifice the rook against the pawn, and in this position you after black plays rook to d1, you can't do anything, right? It's going to be just a draw. As I told you, a bishop alone cannot deliver a checkmate. So what else can you try? You may probably play this move, bishop to d2. Well, on the next move you move and promote, but now this move also doesn't work because at the end of the day black will just capture your bishop and then your pawn, right? So this is going to be a draw once again. So what else can you try? So in this position you may probably assume the move bishop to f4, and then you block the rook that way, and that is actually the right move, and you are going to you are moving toward the right idea, right? So now in this position the king has to play. It doesn't matter where the king moves. The idea is to block the rook this way, so the rook now cannot attack the pawn, and this is going to be a win, right? You just move away, and now you are going to just move away with the king, and now you are going to win the game, right? So black may just give us some kinds of ladder checks. Notice black can't move there because of the bishop and there because of the pawn, so black will give us these perpetual checks, but eventually these checks cannot be a continue forever, and black wouldn't get a time to give us these checks, and we are winning. That is nice. That is very nice idea. But let me take you back here in this position. After we play bishop to d6, yes, that is the correct move, but black wouldn't play rook to d1. Instead, black can play rook to a1. This is different because now there is only a single way to move and win the game. It's obviously a king move. You have to move the king somewhere. Like this move is coming. The rook is coming toward your pawn either way. So let's check the moves. Obviously, if you put your king to the 7th rank, black would just play rook to a7. It doesn't matter where your king moves. Black would still play this move and pin your pawn. It doesn't matter. On the next move, black will just capture that, and like I said so many times, a bishop alone cannot deliver checkmate. So that is your problem in this position. So you can't play this move. How about moving the king to e8? Well, now black will just move the rook to a8, and it forces you to move upward, and again black would just move and pin your pawn, and it doesn't matter from this position on. Black would sacrifice the pawn, I mean the rook, for the pawn. So this is not the correct move. So we have seen these moves. It's not a bishop move. The correct move in this particular position is king to c8. So what does this move accomplish? Well, we are threatening to make a queen. That is the first reason. So it's a good thing to do, right? We are going to get a queen on the next move. The other thing is, obviously black can't stop like this. We simply make a queen. So when black plays rook to a8, we are going to defend the check with the bishop, right? So the bishop is under the protection of the king, and this is simply unstoppable, and we are going to win the game. Like this, black may move like this to get there, but we simply get and make a queen. So this is the solution of the puzzle. So for a recap purpose, first we are going to play bishop to f4 check, and the king has to move somewhere, doesn't matter. Then we play and block the axis so that the rook can't go behind. So now our attempt is to move aside and promote our pawn. So in this position, the best move is to play here actually, and this is the best move because white has to play the only winning move, king to c8. And after black plays rook to a8, and now in this position as well, this is the only move that can win, right? You can play a lot of moves, everything loses you the puzzle, right? It's going to be a draw, but that is considered as a lose or not solving the problem, the puzzle. So that all of the moves after this, all of the moves don't work except bishop to b8, and now black is out of trick, and this is going to be winning. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.